Remember that I had back surgery last year on L4, L5. So I can only generate about 114, 115 miles an hour of my club head speed right now safely. And you have to remember 114, 115 miles an hour is PGA Tour average. So what happens is I'm 56 years old and I'm coming back from that back surgery. So 114, 115 is not too bad. I've got a tee right here that I'm gonna set out in front of my stance forward so that I can catch it out in front and not catch it too far back here this way. Also, remember what I was talking about, Rob Holding from Canada with a couple of his premier players back probably 10, 15 years ago was dealing with, as the club was back at P2, P3, dealing with this step out to create this dynamic force of moving the center of mass of the body and then basically creating this speed and power. But one thing that we've got to understand is that when we're coming into contact and we shift and we get that pressure forward and we start to move over, what we do is we stop moving forward, we start letting vertical take over so that basically the club can get fast. And if you watch some long drivers, especially Ryan Winther, he's trying to pull the handle off of that golf club, pulling that shoulder up and back from this post, and sometimes he's almost breaking the club in the ground right here. So I'm gonna do this one more thing here. I'm gonna put this tee in the ground and I'm gonna show you how we're talking violence and ballistic. So what I'm doing is, I'm thinking that as I get to about right here, I'm starting to put some pressure into the ground, and then from here what I'm gonna do is throw body weight into the ground and then push up and back while my club is going fast. So here's an example of about 110 to 115 of trying to pull up and back as I shift over early. Now we're not talking about control, we're talking about speed at first. So what's important is I need to stop moving linear and drag. I need to move linear so that I can create stabilization. I need to start to stabilize, push back from the ground, create some room. That allows vertical to take over so that rotation can really max out and give me that speed through impact, which is really out of my control. What it is like Luke trusts the force. Let that club head center of mass catch the momentum arm and whoosh, back all the way like Ryan pulling that back. Anyway, again, thanks for joining. Please hit the like and subscribe. Keep joining Dan Schwabe Golf Academy and join us in this journey, getting faster, getting better, one golfer at a time. Hope you enjoy.